How to verify your LinkedIn account on mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is Kate, and on today's video I will guide you how you can verify your LinkedIn account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the LinkedIn application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile at the top left corner. From here, again tap on your profile. That's gonna take you to your profile. If you're not verified, you will have an option as at verification badge next to your profile name. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted towards the verification process. Here, tap on verify with persona. So in order to verify your account, you have to provide the government issue ID card, that may be your passport or driver license. Tap on this drop down here and then select the country that issued your government ID. Then tap on this terms and agreements. Once you're done, tap on continue. After that, you have to provide your front and back of your ID card. So tap on yes, continue, and then scan your ID card and then provide your ID card. Once done, tap on done or submit, and once your information or your ID card is verified, your account on LinkedIn will also be verified. That's it. That's how you verify your LinkedIn account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.